today's little project on the 8N, I want to make something to where I can pull a trailer behind the tractor. And they make 3-point assemblies that you can just hook onto the tractor with the ball hitch and move them around. But what I'm going to do is use some scrap metal and build something that I can just fasten quickly to the drawbar and pull a trailer with that. So first off, need to cut an upright piece that'll go to the top. For that, I've got part of an old motorcycle carrier I used to have. So we're going to cut it off about here to give me an upright piece. Then we'll do some welding. Okay, the next piece we need is something to go on the drawbar, and I'm going to bolt it in on each side. So we need to drill another hole here, and then this will fit on there, and then we can work our way up with the hitch. Alright, that bar bolts on real easy to the drawbar. I think what I'm going to use for the hitch itself is an old receiver. Cut that back a little bit, weld it on there. That hitch was for a vehicle that I no longer have, and nothing I have now needs this long drop, so might as well use it. So now it's time to go break out the welder. Okay, I got the hitch securely welded onto that crossbar. Put a little bead on the bolts there so it'll be a one wrench installation. Now, you need to mount this, weld that on there so it can come up to the top link. And I'll also trim off the excess here. Then we can get the tractor up here and fit it together. I think I've got all the welding done now. So we'll bring the tractor up here, put the drawbar in place, and then we'll figure out where we want the top link. And I will cut a notch out there and then drill on both sides for the top pin. And there's the finished result. I drilled that, notched the front so it can move up and down. I did have to notch the back a little bit because that knuckle is sticks out a little too far for that 2-inch square tubing. And that's it. I'll show you how easy it is to take off the tractor. Got the one pin up top. Two nuts and you're gone with it. All right, let's go pull the trailer around. Well, I'm quite happy with that. Seems to work fine. Figured I'd start out with the big trailer first. I'd say from now on, I've got a lumber yard just a couple of blocks away from me. So I'd say whenever I need building supplies, we'll just put on the flatbed and take off with the tractor. Thanks for watching.